Can't wait. Well, a lot of you might be hosting holiday dinners and holiday parties in the next few weeks. It might have you thinking, we could really use a new place.
Yeah, well, in this edition of our Amazing Home series, we take you on a tour of a McBride home primed for entertaining and keeping you and your guests cozy and warm.
If you're in the market for a new home for your family, this house might just light your fire.
We have this gorgeous stone fireplace, wood floors throughout the entire home. This is our hickory model.
You'll find it in Huntington Glen Estates, a McBride community right off Highway 55 in Jefferson County.
This is perfect for new families. It has the 3 bedrooms, so there's room for the children. It's a great community located in the Fox School District. Close proximity to the highway. We've got backyard, lots of common ground and open space to enjoy as well. The entire house has a very open flow to it. We've got the vaulted ceilings in the kitchen all the way, then going back to the master bedroom with the coffered ceiling, so you get that additional height and that expansive feel.
How you're talking about the flow of this house, it's great how you have the more formal kind of dining area right into the breakfast bar and then into this gorgeous kitchen.
So this is our luxury kitchen layout. We've got the beautiful dark cabinets along with stainless steel appliances, chrome fixtures for the sink. We've got beautiful quartz countertops. You can enjoy the vaulted ceiling in this room as well. Again, the hardwood floor comes through the kitchen. Just a beautiful space that you enjoy being in and not removed from the rest of the party when you're hosting.
Yeah, and if this isn't your style, you have so many other options at the Design Center.
Absolutely. The Design Studio offers a wide range of options, colors, materials for every budget, for every family, for every home buyer.
McBride Homes has been helping people create their dream home for more than 70 years.
We're one of the largest home builders in the country. We're the largest in the state of Missouri and one of the largest union employers in the state as well.
So you can feel good living large in your new home.
For more information, you can visit McBrideHomes.com or check them out on Facebook. You can also give them a call at 636-537-2000.